Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to start our second lesson. Is matter around us pure? In this lesson we will discuss about pure substance, characteristics of a pure substance, elements. In elements we will discuss metals and characteristics of metals in this video. First of all, we will discuss about pure substance. So, in chapter 1, we discussed about the physical nature of matter, and we also discussed the physical states of matter as solid, liquid and gases. We discussed the effect of temperature and pressure on the states of matter. Now we will discuss about the chemical properties of elements or matter. So we are going to discuss about pure substance. What is pure substance? So pure substance is a type of matter where the constituents are identical. Means the constituents found in that matter are identical in physical and chemical properties, and the constituents are homogeneous, or we can say same throughout the mixture. So somewhere in market you see that there is written on packets pure milk, pure ghee, but in scientific it is not pure as chemically. It is pure for our eating, but in science it is not pure. In science, where chemical components are same throughout the matter, that matter is known as pure substance. So now we will discuss about the characteristics of a pure substance. So first characteristics, its composition is same throughout the matter or same throughout the substance. After that, second characteristic, from where it is found, it does not matter. It is always same. Pure substances are of two types, elements and compounds. We will discuss about elements. What are elements? So the elements are the matter where only one type of atom are found. Means in elements only identical atoms are found. Compounds, in compounds there are more than one type of atoms. So today we are discussing about elements. Elements are divided into three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. So today we are going to discuss about metals. What are metals? So the substance which is the good conductor of electricity and heat, which possess sonority, luster, malleability, ductility, these substances are known as metals. We can give one another definition of metals, that the substance which is electropositive in nature is known as metal. Electropositive means the substance which can lose electrons from its atom and can form positive ion. That substance are known as electropositive. So metals can lose electron from their atoms and they can form positive ion. So they are known as electropositive in nature. After that, we will discuss about the characteristics of metal. So metals are solid at room temperature. Mercury is the only exception. Mercury is found in liquid state at room temperature. Metals are good conductor of electricity and heat. Means from metals, heat and electricity can pass easily. Metals are malleable. Means metal can be beaten into sheets. Metals are ductile. Ductile means they can be drawn into thin wire. So metals can be drawn into wire. Sonority. Metals have sonority. Means when they are struck, they give a twinkling sound. Metals have luster. Means they have a special shiny appearance. Generally, all metals have silvery grey appearance. Gold has yellowish appearance and copper has brown appearance. So these are the characteristics of metal. So today we discuss pure substance, characteristics of pure substance, elements. In elements we discuss metals and properties of metal. In next video we will discuss about the properties of non-metals and metalloids. That's all. Thank you.